So hey guys, today we will be seeing how to instantly use your PC using shortcuts. To instantly lock your PC, just hit Windows key and L button so it will be directly locked. The second tip is to create a new desktop so that you can organize. So you can click Windows and Tab button and up you have the new desktop button. Then you can create a new desktop. To go back for the previous desktop, you can hit Control, Windows key and left arrow. Same for the next desktop, you will use the right arrow. And you can play with this all the day. There's a special feature in your PC. Just hit Windows and G button to enter the game mode. Here you have options like take a screenshot, record, mute your audio. Here also you have changed your audios of every app. You can go into the settings option right up and you can choose whatever you want and whatever you don't. Go in settings instantly just by clicking Windows and I button. There you are. If you want the desktop icons, then just go into settings in the personalization columns, themes and the desktop icons. There you are. You can choose any desktop icon you want. If you don't want that big search bar button, then right click on the taskbar and go to the search. Hit hidden or show button only. So it will show the button only right now. And you can go back anyway as you want. You can also hide that and go back. To take a screenshot as you want, just go to screen snip and drag as much area you want. It will just take a screenshot and notify you and also add it to your clipboard. You can click on it and also edit it as the way you want, just like I have done in front of you, and also the edited one can be saved. To use your PC at high performance, just go to the battery icon, right click on it, then go to Windows Mobility Center. Here you have many options like the brightness, volume, and also you can change the performance from balanced power saver mode or high performance as much as you want. Go to the volume icon on the taskbar, right click on it and choose volume equalizer or volume mixer. Here you can change volume of any specific app you want, as like that it is shown. Another last tip is to click Alt F4 and just say goodbye.